channel or welcome back. I'm Xavier and today we're going to be watching Frieren. So it's season 2, it's episode 1. So I did watch season 1 on my own and I did not react to this at the time. But I figured let me use this as my foray into anime reactions. I've already done Your Name and the first Haikyuu movie, and so Frieren. So yeah, it is what it is. She's on her way to end it. They just are leaving Orst. I don't know. I don't remember how you pronounce that. The place where they got the magic. Where Fern got the first class maid certification, and Frieren got banned, and Stark just had fun. Yeah, let's get into it. Oh, I should point out this is the first thing I've recorded in 2026 so far, this Frieren episode.
それじゃ行こうか。
Aha! Let's go, boy! Let us go!
次の町に着いたら仕事を探さないといけませんね。
もうそんなことを考えているのか、フェルン。
You gotta.
大事なことです。
Yep.
常に先の先まで考えていかないと旅は続けられません。それもそうか。
Yep, it is true. Very true. Makes sense.
心強かったですよ。しかし、エンデを目指さ
Oh, I thought they were gonna look at Levy's face undrawn.
想像もできないほどに長い旅路になるのでしょうな。
そうかもね。
終わりが来たらなんて言おう。
Alright, the new intro.
いつか
Like I was saying, I thought they were gonna leave his face undrawn and just like it's just gonna be his voice, but alright, they drew his face. They gave him a face. Are these people? I think these are people. I guess these are people we're gonna meet. Years after the death of Himmel the hero in the Northlands.
魚釣ってきたぜ。
朝ごはんの足しにしますね。
Oh, that's on the fish and catch.
次は大物釣ってくるから。
おかしいな。
フリーレン、珍しく早起きだな。
何か気になることがあって目が覚めてしまったみたいです。
ちゃんと褒めた？
当然です。これ。
Oh!
火の魔法が出ませんね。これは風魔鋼って言ってね、魔法を無効化する力を持った鉱石だよ。
Yeah, well, self-explanatory.
シュタルク、ちょっと離れてみて。
ああ。
Oh!
この大きさなら豪邸が買えるね。
So why is it here?
すげえな。
There must be a reason for that.
近くにあるだけで魔法が使えなくなるんじゃ持っていけませんね。道中が危険すぎます。今魔物に襲われたら全滅しますよ。その前にこの石の変わった特性も見てってよ。すごく面白いから。
Of course.
地にめっちゃ魔力を込めるとね、めっちゃ光るんだよ。
Ooh!
眩しい。
早く捨ててきてください。まだ光ってる。
Yeah, wow!
大きな森林と火山地帯を越えた先だよ。
火山地帯か。なんだか危険そうだな。
今は比較的安全な温泉地帯だよ。
温泉ですか。温かいお風呂はちょっと魅力的ですね。
Oh yeah, it does.
随分とご無沙汰だもんな。
もしかしてこの地面。
Oh, it's a trap.
やっぱり湿地は地盤が悪くて嫌だね。
Oh, it wasn't a trap. It was just unstable grounds. My bad.
やっちゃったかも。道理で地表に風魔口があるわ。
Oh, okay. I was double.
これを持って帰ったら億万長者か。
それは無理だろうけどね。風魔口は物質の中でも最大級の高度を持つ。それに他の物質とは違って魔法で切断したり加工したりもできないからね。
Did he manage to cut it? Whoa, not even a scratch. Damn.
とにかくここを登るのは無理だから他の出口を探そう。頼りにしているからね、シュタルク。
Yep.
魔法の使えない私たちはここではただの
女の子？
私、シュタルクがクソババアって言ったこと忘れてないから。
すいませんでした。
根に持ってる。
Well, she has a long memory. She has a big memory to be that old, so it makes sense.
それに動物の骨も大量にありました。
Yep, they died starving, I guess.
大型の魔物の巣かもしれないと言っていました。
I didn't expect that.
よくぐっすり眠れますよね。
気楽なもんだな。
The drool.
まるで暗闇に放り込まれたみたい。
フェルン。フリーレン、起きろ！逃げ！
毒獄竜だね。
Whoa!
毒とは相性が悪い。
Stark was so
また
fast
毒で
there.
死ぬよ。
いや、死んでねえし！けど、じゃあどうしろって言うんだ。だいたい気持ちよさそうに寝やがって。
私はシュタルクに命を預けているからね。
I knew it was something like that. I knew it's because she
シュタ
trusted
ルクを
Stark.
前衛として仲間にした時からそのつもりだったよ。パーティーっていうのはそうじゃないと機能しないんだ。
俺はいざっていう時に逃げ出す男だぞ。
But you won't.
じゃあ一緒に逃げようか。目をつぶって。
He left his axe?
なぜお前は俺に命を預け
Wow.
そんなことは軽々しく口にするもんじゃない。
逃げたくなったらみんなで逃げよう。
Of course, it's something Himmel said. Of
僕たち
course.
はパーティーなんだから。
Whoa!
それじゃあ逃げようか。
なぜそれの
ハイターは酒臭いってさ。
Okay, so he didn't leave his axe. I was like, yo, bro!
怖かったね。みんなで逃げるのも悪くないでしょ。じゃあ行こうか。
Yes, we shall.
腰が抜けて歩くな。
Oh, is this the forest she was talking about?
あれ、いない。ちょっと戻ってくるの早かったかな。今日こそ大物を釣るぞ。
The bracelet! That, Stark got her.
綺麗になった。フリーレン様からもらった髪飾りも綺麗になりましたよ。
杖だってそうだけど、フェルンって楽しそうに道具の手入れをするよね。
誰かからもらったものだからでしょうか。私は戦争で故郷も何もかも失ってしまいましたから。こうして大事なものが増えていくのが嬉しいのかもしれません。
頑張って選んだ甲斐があったかな。
Yes, it was.
すごく悩んでましたもんね。
なんで知っているの？
She followed you. That's why.
エッチ。
本当にごめん。エルって知らなかったんだよ。
別に怒っていませんよ。よし、できた。
もしかして今ちょっと空気悪い？
そうかも。フリーレンもそういうの分かるようになってきたのか。ちょっと感動。
Yeah,
たまに
very.
こういうことあるよね。もし居心地が悪いならちゃんと言ってね。シュタルクを無理やりパーティーに誘ったのは私なんだから。
あのな、フリーレン。俺は、
Oh,
分かれ道ですね。
こっちが北部高原方面。あっちがノイトラール港方面だね。主要な街道沿いだからね。野宿せずに済みそうだ。
フリーレンじゃねえか。
oh, hi.
意外と早い再会だったな。シュタルク。レ
We're
ッサーの
right?
討伐の時は助かったぜ。
ビアベル。
Yep. Verbal.
船酔いが嫌だって、だだこねてるのよ。
いい年したおっさんだろ。何やってんだよ。
言っとくが俺はまだおっさんじゃねえぞ。つい最近まで20代だったんだ。
別のおっさんもよく言っていたな。
あの話？
I don't remember the priestess name. Oh my god.
前衛が
Sorry, my
圧
memory
倒
is
的に
just
不足してい
messing me
る。
up right now.
前にも言っただろ、ビアベル。俺はこのパーティーの前衛だ。
フリーレン、こいつ口説いてもいいか。
勝手にすればいい。
Yep, it's up to Stark to choose.
フリーレン様。
乾
I see what she's doing.
もしかしたらシュタルクにとって私たちのパーティーは窮屈だったのかもしれない。
What's her name? Fern's gonna talk to him. Yeah.
ビアベルの話なら断ったぜ。
シュタルク様はそれでいいんですか？
フェルン、俺がなんでこのパーティーにいると思う？フリーレンたちと初めて出会った時さ、本当はもう限界だったんだ。全てを放り投げて村を見捨てて逃げ出そうとしていた。最低だろ。フリーレンはさ、俺のことを無理やりパーティーに誘ったって言っていたけど、違うんだ。
You wanted to join. Is it because, what? Fern said
シュ
to
タ
him?
ルク様は逃げないと思います。
あの夜にフェルンが俺の背中を押してくれたから、
Nice.
一緒に旅がしたいと思ってパーティーに加わったんだ。臆病な俺をここまで引っ張ってきてくれたのはフリーレンだけじゃないんだぜ。俺はどこにも行かないよ。だからもっと優しくして。
わ
Yes,
かりました。
please be nicer
じゃあ
to
おい
him.
で。いっぱい撫でます。
何企んでるの？怖い！
めんどくさいなこいつ。
They're dynamic. Oh man. Is that from Haito? The little angel thing.
ちなみに3人は船で向かう気はないのか？
北部高原は師匠たちも通った道だしな。
変な依頼を受けたり、厄介ごとに巻き込まれたり、寄り道ばかりですけれどね。
お前らにはお前らの冒険がある。
Yep, that they do.
どうせ北の果てにもいつか来るんだろう。
Yeah, later this time.
また会おうぜ。
I can't remember the name of those two. Oh my god.
それじゃあ行こうか。
Fried!
So don't you worry.
That's the first episode back in there. Just like further deepening everything. But when the discussion, let me just listen to this ending. The art style is so a butterfly. She been so fun little intro back into the swing of things. I completely forgot the name of some characters, and that's completely wild considering I've been watching other people's reactions to remind myself of who's who and everything. But right, Himmel, Haita, Eisen, Frieren, Stark, and Fern, and the priest who was with them? Okay, so this did a little check. Ere and Sharf. Ere is the lady, and Sharf is the guy in the white, and then Sign. That's the name of the priest. Completely forgot, and he's looking for Gorilla Warrior. Yes. Okay. That does outsign and Gorilla Warrior. See, Gorilla Warrior is a good name. I think it makes sense now. Because I remember signing this Gorilla Warrior just immediately clicked into mind. Anyway, whatever. Right, so what was this? We had the thing where they were stuck in the cave, and then the second thing was about the whether Stark would stay in the party. And this is an interesting thing where Stark. Let me use the first part because first part is about Frieren showing the trust, and we had the flashback to the Himmel party days when they were trying to defeat the Demon King, and we saw that in that scenario, um, Eisen was asking why did Himmel trust him, and it's just like, yeah, because we're a party, like that's if we're gonna be traveling together, I have to trust you. And if I trust you, I'm not gonna be you trust me, I trust you. It's this thing where we share that bond, and so we're in this together, We're in this together, we're like this, we're like this. And so that's basically what that was about, and that's my interpretation of it. We're building this trust thing, and if I trust you, you trust me, and yeah. Okay, and I find that really nice because it led into the second part. But yeah, sticking to the first part is I figured that's what it was like. Frieren is showing she's not intentionally showing, but indirectly showing that she trusts Stark to be like the vanguard of the party, like they said, and with that she can sleep soundly because she trusted Emil and Eisen, Aether, whatever, whichever role they played in her previous party, and so in this party, hey, I trust you too, so I'm gonna do the same thing because I have faith in your abilities, and you proved me right. You proved me right all the time, so and you will continue to prove me right because I have belief in you and your abilities and your capabilities and everything. So it's not even a problem. And so that was cool to show that relationship that's there. And the second part was about Stark's relationship. Everything was about the Stark's group, and Robert is trying to recruit him, but Stark is like, "Nah, I'm cool. I got it." And then Fern is valuing because she says she lost everything. She's a war orphan, and so this is about she's held onto Heiter and Frieren and Stark because she cares for them. They give her things, and so she treasures them deeply. I'm assuming that um cross arrow dove whatever thing it is from Heiter, and so that's why she treasured it so much. And that's just really cool. And I think that's the first time we've seen that. If we've seen it before, it's maybe like, oh, a flash here or there, so you might not have noticed it, but yeah. So that's just really cool. And like Stark is like, you. It's not just Frieren who made me want to join the party. It's you too, Fern. You encouraged me that day. You gave me belief in my capabilities. I'm not just a cowboy who's gonna run away. You had faith in me. You believed in me, and so I'm gonna repay you. It's not just because it's like not like an obligation or anything. It's because I want to, because I care, and we have this bond and everything, and so just whole thing was about bonds and trust, and why are we traveling together and everything, and so nice little thing. Interesting way to begin the season, but this is a slow building thing and everything. So that's what the first part of season one was about, like dropping them into these little stories or little mini action things. Sometimes where things happen, but it's only like a couple episodes or a thing. The only long thing was really the first class major exam, which was like what 10 episodes or 10 to 14 episodes. It was like almost pretty much the entire second half of the season. And so yeah, it was cool. I think this is gonna be 10 episodes only. I'm not sure, but that's what I saw. 10 episodes only for season two. And yeah, so and the manga is on hiatus because of the health of the author, the mangaka. So I don't know. Maybe that's a part of it. They're giving some time. I don't know. We'll see how long this is. But yeah, nice little thing to get back into the swing of things. Reintroduction to the characters and all of that. So yeah, those are my. Do I have any more thoughts? Hold on. War all have fun. The Magic Notifying Crystal, that was kind of cool. But I get why they didn't carry with them. Anything else? No, there's money, the War all fun thing, the crystal, them being in that big cave, and then Rebel's party, and the dynamic between Fern and Stark. Like, it's an interesting thing because they don't know how to communicate with each other. Fern, especially because she grew up with only Haiter, and that was just like a fatherly relationship. There was nothing romantic there. So I'm pretty sure we're supposed to get that Fern and Stark like each other, but they are right now at least incompatible in terms of how they communicate with each other. Because, like I said, Fern is like blunt and stuff because and she's so pious and everything. So she immediately goes to, oh, he's a pervert and everything. She even goes to that because of I'm a thing singing because of her religious background with Haiter and everything. And even though he's a corrupt priest, but he tried to not be corrupt around Fern. So interesting. Yeah. All right. Yeah, I think that's what I have to say for now.